Irrigated agriculture is essential in countries with low levels of pluviometry. This fact can be easily witnessed in Spain, where 70% of freshwater reserves are spent in this matter. In Spain, thanks to its sunny weather, one irrigated hectare may produce 6 times more than a dry farming hectare, generating 4 times a bigger income. This factor has led to an increase in the irrigation infrastructures development, and therefore 96% of Spanish regions have irrigated systems today. The construction of water storage buildings have been necessary to reach this increasing water demand, which may vary its water levels depending on the amount of water required. One example is the construction of dams that can harbor large swamps of water, helping to supply numerous towns. The construction of dams is always carried out at the narrowest part of the river, which is temporarily diverted from its natural channel.
Dams are usually built with concrete, conventional or rolled compact mass, masonry or loose materials such as homogeneous breakwater, clay core, asphalt screen and concrete screen. They normally hold electrical installations that produce energy from the water force. Little reservoirs are really useful for harboring minor amounts of water. They are commonly designed for supplying minor irrigation communities. Little reservoirs should be made of waterproof materials such as clay. They are also built with artificial materials like asphalt, concrete screen or thin plastic films. For smaller distributions, wells can work just fine, pumping water from underground. These wells can have depths of 100 and even 200 meters, depending on where the water reservoir is located. Once the hole is dug, it must be coated with stone or precast concrete rings.
Proper transport from back-of infrastructure to irrigation areas is essential in order to provide enough water for irrigation crops. There are 2 main ways of distribution: by open infrastructure or by pipes. Channels and ditches start from a primary distribution network, such as outdoor channels, and then lead to secondary ditches networks. By pipes, water is taken directly from the reserve area through a large pipes channel, usually made with concrete or PVC. These pipes result in smaller pipes made out of PVC or polyethylene. With application systems, water can be supplied with pressure or without it. There are 2 types of pressurized systems: drip irrigation and sprinkler irrigation, that can be used as pivot or spray. These are some examples of the most outstanding irrigation infrastructures in Spain. Water is a limited resource in Spain, but through the construction of modern infrastructures we are now prepared for reaching the increasing water demands.